Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. What we have here is we have now approached to positive MACD and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. If we expand that to the 4-hour chart, we are about to reverse and head up to positive MACD and we are seeing signs of a converging. At the moment, we are also resting right along the 100 moving average, this orange line, which will act as our temporary support at the price of $2.65. If we expand out to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and seeing slight signs of it diverging, and we have not quite hit near overbought levels with the RSI. We are resting right along the 9-day moving average, this blue line. However, if that support does break, the next support will be the 18-day moving average, this purple line, at the price of $2.59. And as for resistance, that will be the highs of October 12th at the price of $2.94. So if we do manage to reverse higher, that price movement is roughly around 5.6%, and to the downside to hit support, that is around 7.2%. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry will be at $11.42, and that is this range right there. And my sell target for it will be $12.62, and my stop loss will be $11.10. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $13.14, and that coincides with the highs of October 12th. That will be my short entry, and my stop or sell target will be $11.77, and my stop loss will be $13.69. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 40% chance for natural gas to climb between 0 to 7%, and a 20% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 7%, and further extreme case to the downside, a 40% chance to fall between negative 7% to negative 14%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.